Hey everyone, Taylor here with found.ee today. I'm going to show you how to check out your ad reporting or ad campaign reports. So here we are on the dashboard of the customer service account. You'll see on the left-hand side, the little drop down under advertising. You can see your campaigns at the dashboard level here, but you can't click into them. So if you click on ad reporting on the left-hand nav bar, you will then be into your ad reporting area. You'll see your list of campaigns. As you can tell here, there's quite a bit of just various test campaigns. What you're going to want to do is actually click on one of the campaigns to pull up the actual reporting. I'm going to search for a specific campaign that actually has some relevant data here. So I typed in corn. Now you see just the corn campaign showing up here. I clicked on it, which is when this window kind of opened up and you'll start to see your results. So let's say that your campaign is not quite live yet, or this campaign is already finished. But for example, if you created the campaign and saved it as a draft, this actions tab on the right-hand side is going to be where you would edit the campaign. If it's live and you need to stop the campaign for whatever reason, this is where you would do this. This is also where you would, duplicate the campaign for a quick, easy way to start a new, fresh campaign. Or you could also share the report, which if you click here, it'll open up a new URL that you could then share with one of your team members. So now that we've clicked on this, I'm going to pull that arrow down. You can see here the results. You have CPM, which is your cost per 1,000 impressions, your cost per click. This was a small, short campaign, $50 over 5 days. You can see the budget spend on a daily basis here. As you scroll down, you'll see how the comparison charts measure out. These are comparisons based on industry benchmarks across other ad platforms. So you can hover over one of these and kind of see the comparison as to if you went with one of these other platforms on that same spend with the same objective. As you keep scrolling down, you'll see impressions and clicks across the full campaign up here, or your daily trends here. And then if you were tracking conversions, which you do have the ability to do if you've installed our tracking pixel and it's on a Shopify website or any type of merch store, anywhere that you have control of that full purchase process, you would be able to actually use a conversion-based tracking with our ad campaigns as well, which I'll talk about on another video. But as we keep looking down here, you'll see your domain performance here. You can toggle between premium and all. Those are going to change your placements are going to change depending upon which targeting you selected, as we talked about in the advertising campaign setup. So that is how you quickly get in here and check your advertising campaigns and results. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.